Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part two. Your topic is describe an interesting neighbor. You'll have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, I would like to talk about my next door neighbor. Her name is Samya, and I call her Sami. I know her from past 15 years, and she is very interesting personality because no one can ever get bored
In her company,
in her
in her
company.
presence. Carry on,
In
don't
her
stop.
company. She is very friendly, kind, and humble with elders and youngers also. I saw her daily because she is like a part of my family. I help her in her studies, and the most interesting relationship or interesting thing I like her about her because she's like a younger sister to me. Whenever I feel down and I feel low, I go to her because for me she's a very good listener. She's mature than her age, and while I'm being a hostelite, so she take care of my mother in my absence, and also we like gossiping about the neighbors and family members when I'm not here. So she is a very important part of my life, and I cannot imagine my life without her. We used to share things like clothes and everything with each other, and
Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's fine, but there are minor grammatical mistakes. Like you said, she take care. It should have been she takes care.
Okay.
Then you said we used to. It should be like without used to.
Okay.
Direct first form of the verb. But overall, you spoke well. Now we move on to speaking part three. Why do you think it is important to have good neighbors?
To have good neighbors is very important in our daily routine activity because whenever we have any kind of emergency, we go to our neighbors to help us. Also, we celebrate festivities with each other, and whenever we clean the environment also, and we have get together. For those people, it's important whose family live apart from them. So neighbors are the other family.
Okay.
For them.
Did you ever fight with your neighbors?
No, I never. I have a very good relationship with my neighbors. They are like, if they are younger than me, they are like sisters to me, and if they are elders, so they are like my grandmothers or grandparents for me.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking
Thank you
test.
so
Take
much.
care. Good job.